Hey students, today we're going to understand one of the most amazing and mysterious topics in modern physics, supersymmetry, also called SUSY. Don't worry, I'll explain it so simply that even if you're from class 10 or 11, you'll easily get it. So sit back, take notes, and let's dive into the world of the smallest building blocks of our universe. What is particle physics? Before we understand supersymmetry, we must know what particle physics means. Particle physics is the branch of physics that studies the smallest particles that make up everything, like electrons, protons, quarks, photons, etc. It also explains how these particles interact with forces such as gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces. These particles and forces together are explained by something called the standard model of particle physics, kind of like a periodic table for the universe's smallest parts. The standard model. The standard model says all matter is made of two main types of particles. 1. Fermions. These are matter particles. Example, electrons, protons, made of quarks, neutrinos. 2. Bosons. These carry forces. Example, photon, light, gluon, strong force, W and Z bosons, weak force. So, fermions make up matter. Bosons make the forces that act between them. This model works beautifully, but it's not complete. It doesn't explain things like dark matter, gravity, or why particles have such different masses. That's where supersymmetry comes in. What is supersymmetry? Supersymmetry, SUSY, is a theoretical idea, meaning scientists haven't proven it yet, but it helps explain many mysteries. It says that every particle in the universe has a superpartner particle. These partners are like mirror twins, but they spin differently. Example, electron, selectron, quark, squark, photon, photino, gluon, gluino. Usually the superpartner's name adds "-s at the start for fermions, or "-ino at the end for bosons. These superpartners haven't been seen yet because they are very heavy, maybe too heavy for our current particle accelerators, like the Large Hadron Collider, to detect. Why do scientists believe in supersymmetry? Supersymmetry helps solve three big problems in physics. 1. The hierarchy problem. It explains why some particles, like the Higgs boson, are so light compared to others. SUSY keeps the universe balanced, like a perfect seesaw. 2. Dark matter mystery. According to SUSY, one of the superparticles could be the dark matter that makes up 85% of the universe. 3. Unification of forces. It helps bring all fundamental forces, except gravity, together in a single theory, something Einstein also dreamed about. The search for supersymmetry. Scientists at CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, are smashing particles together at very high speeds to find evidence of these superpartners. So far, no SUSY particle has been discovered yet, but the research continues. If one is found, it would change physics forever. It might even explain the invisible energy that fills the universe. How to remember supersymmetry? Let's simplify it. Normal particle superpartner type. Electron-selectron fermion boson. Quark-squark fermion boson. Photon-photino boson fermion. Gluon-gluino boson fermion. Remember, supersymmetry connects matter and forces. That's why it's called supersymmetry, a symmetry between particles and their partners. Simple analogy. Imagine you're playing chess. Each piece, like a king or queen, has a mirror twin that behaves differently but keeps the balance of the game. Supersymmetry says our universe also has such twins. We just haven't met them yet. So students, supersymmetry is a beautiful idea that connects the smallest parts of nature in a balanced way. It's not yet proven, but if scientists find even one superpartner particle, it will change how we see the entire universe. Remember the key line. Supersymmetry is a theory that every known particle has a heavier superpartner, balancing matter and energy in the universe. Now tell me in the comments, should I explain dark matter or quantum physics next? Let's study smart. Mere Sath Padh Lo.